Hello everybody, welcome to our channel Rocket Babies. I am Dr. Nupur Ghosh. So as you know, Jashvi is right now in Bhopal with her grandparents. So this is a nostalgic place for us. This is the Cant area. And you know, I've spent so many years here. As soon as I enter the place, so many memories are refreshed. Here we are entering in the officers club. You can see the greens. This is daddy's golf course where he enjoys his golf every morning. That's a ritual. And so we just wanted to show Jashvi, although right now it's been raining a lot. And ye hai Mama Ji ka poha, which is Jashvi's favorite breakfast every morning. Doesn't miss that. I think she's going to be the brand ambassador for that. We do click some of the photos. Mom had not come today with us. And lovely weather here in Bhopal, must say that. The breeze and everything is terrific. So morning mein uske pehle Jashvi went on bullet with daddy. That's also one of the things that Jashvi loves to do with her granddad. And grandmom ke saath to uski chit chats hoti hain. So it was a lovely day and we decided to go to a new place. We went to Van Vihar, Bhopal. It's basically a zoo, but you know, to my surprise, this was a lovely place because you know, here the animals are not caged. As you see, we are just going on the road and usme there will be coming some spots jahan pe it will be written that which animal you could see, so you could just go inside. I love the way they had kept the animals. The animals were free. You can actually just go inside and see them. So it was a zoo, but you know, it's actually a forest area that has been covered and converted to a zoo. You can take your car inside. They'll charge you according to the seater capacity, 5-seater, 7-seater. Here you can see the lion. Yeah, the lion was relaxing. Even he was enjoying the weather. So, and uske just samne, like the road, you know, one side it's the lake and the other side is the forest. Here is the mighty tiger. He was just walking. The Jashvi was so amazed, and she's always loved these kinds of places, so she was like very happy to be there. Mom had fast today, so we told her to take rest, and because there was a lot of walking here. And this is also one of the beautiful places, Snake Park. Usme tha, and everybody is like must go types. Here you can see, oh my god, you know, I'm not such a big snake lover now. When I'm even recording, I feel scared seeing those snakes, but there were a lot actually. They were a lot, but it was beautiful. And this was the common rat snake, and this was the python. So you know, these small outings really make a difference. Or agar weather acha ho, so definitely it's very nice. And this was our tortoise, and Jashvi loved the tortoise. We couldn't find any small turtles there, but he was enjoying, and watching them eat, and all these experiences, especially with grandparents, is really amazing. To end the day was like a very good thing which I crave almost. Like this was the tadka, Punjabi tadka Maggi, and with chai by the side of the lake. Bye bye.